Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Squarespace for your blog. First, select a Squarespace template that aligns with your blog's aesthetic and purpose. Then, from your site's Pages panel, simply click the plus icon to add a new blog page. This creates a dedicated space for all your posts. Next, customize your blog settings, such as its URL slug and how many posts appear per page, typically between 1 and 5. This foundational setup is quick and easy. Now, let's create your first blog post. On your blog page, click Add Post and enter a captivating title. Squarespace's intuitive editor allows you to easily add various content blocks, like text, images, and videos, to enrich your story. Remember to add categories and tags for better organization and discoverability. Also, select a strong featured image. It's the first thing many readers will see. This structured approach helps your content shine. To expand your blog's reach, consider enabling comments to build a vibrant community around your content. Squarespace offers built-in comment functionality. Next, link your social media accounts. This allows for automatic sharing of new posts, reaching a wider audience with minimal effort. Finally, optimize your posts for search engines by adding relevant keywords and meta descriptions. This helps new readers discover your valuable content. For more advanced blogging, take advantage of post scheduling. You can prepare several posts and set them to publish automatically, ensuring a consistent flow of content, perhaps 3 times a week. Also, integrate email campaigns to notify your subscribers about fresh articles, keeping them engaged. Lastly, regularly review your blog analytics. These insights, like page views and popular posts, are invaluable for refining your content strategy and growing your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.